guys, welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我係你哋老師 Gloria. Today we are going to learn a word in Cantonese. Before we start it, don't forget to click the link below and check my notes. Today we are going to learn now, be mad. So now this character is really funny. If you have learned a little bit Chinese before, you must know that 男 means male, 女 means female. There is one woman between two men, so it's like a girl cheating, right?
Oh no!
They will be mad. So now means be mad. For example, 佢唔記得咗我嘅生日啊！
我而家好嬲啊！
佢唔記得咗我嘅生日啊！我而家好嬲啊！佢 he 唔記得forget 我嘅生日my birthday 我 I 依家 we have already learned last week now 好嬲 very angry 佢唔記得咗我嘅生日啊！我而家好嬲啊！ He forgot my birthday. I'm so mad right now. Maybe your boyfriend will try to comfort you.
咪嬲啦，我聽日陪你啦。咪嬲啦，我聽日陪你啦。
咪 don't
嬲
be mad 啦。我 I 聽日 tomorrow 陪 accompany
你
you
咪嬲啦，我聽日陪你啦。咪嬲啦，我聽日陪你啦。
Don't be mad. I will be with you tomorrow. 我最嬲嘅係你呃我啊！我最嬲嘅係你呃我啊！最嬲 the most angry 嘅係 is 你呃我啊！你呃我啊 You lied to me. What made me the most angry is that you lied to me. Okay, this is what we learned today. If you make someone mad, trying to comfort her with
咪嬲啦，
I believe that they will be happy. If you would like to learn more daily Cantonese words, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Dub Chinese with Gloria. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.